Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to download, install, and set up your first maybe 3 scenes in OBS. This is for the new streamers and the streamers that just want to get, you know, ahead in the game. Okay, we're back. So we all know that OBS could be a little bit intimidating. So in this video, I am going to be showing you this initial startup on how to use it for you people that don't use it currently. You don't need to use it. If you're more comfortable streaming on your consoles, do it. Whatever you feel is right for you is okay. But for those people that want to kind of upgrade themselves and upgrade the stream. So before we start, I just want to let you know that our Discord community can help you out with OBS anytime. And that I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday on Twitch. He said the links are going to be below.
Right?
All right, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to Google and Google OBS. It will pop up and it'll say OBS, Open Broadcast Software. That's what it stands for. Go to the first link. Bam. And if you're running on Windows, click the Windows link. Follow the instructions on how to download it. Same for Mac, same for Linux. Linus. And then you should have the whole rundown and just be like, what up? And this random icon will show up right here. So click it. This is it. This is OBS, guys. It's really simple. So first thing we're going to do, instead of making any scenes or anything, we're going to go up to File and we're going to go to Settings. So you're on the Settings page. It pops up real quick. What you want to do is go to Stream right here on the corner and then click it. And you want to log into your Twitch, which sometimes if you just go and copy the stream key, you can do that. Never show anybody your stream key. Just fun fact, because that will not be good. Right here, it will be like, hey, connect your account, log in from Twitch, and you should be fine. If you don't know what I'm talking about, the stream key looks like something like that. And it's in your dashboard. And then you go down to stream and this will pop up. And you can show it to yourself, not to anybody. But basically you just go and copy it. Bam. And then bring it back to OBS. And then bam. So you want to do that. And then go to your output. And make sure that you're at a bit rate of 4,000. And then you should be good there. And then for your audio... it should just leave it. Your video though, put it at your video put at 30 frames per second, and then with the canvas size that you want to be doing, do 1920 by 1080, and then the output, which is what you're going to be streaming to, is going to be 1280 by 720. Don't change that, just because that's all Twitch can handle right now, especially if you're just starting out. Okay, so if you're looking at this, you see scenes, you see sources, you see your chat/audio mixer. Sometimes it's just going to be audio mixer right at the beginning, and that's okay. As soon as you log in with your Twitch, you get the chat, and then you get also stream info and activity feed. You really just need to worry about controls, sources, and scenes. So there's already a scene there because OBS just kind of like picks one for you. First of all, we're just gonna go and we're gonna rename it starting soon. Easy enough. So now you have a scene. So now you have a starting soon scene, guys. This is the easiest one to make. Just go to your sources. So every time you do a new scene, it will have empty sources. Just a fun fact. So go to your sources, hit the plus icon, and go to text. We're gonna start and make a new one. Call it starting. You go pick your font, and then we're gonna write starting soon. So then what you want to do is just kind of like move it to the middle, and then bam, you got a starting soon screen. What you want to do now is go to scenes and add new scene. We're going to call this gameplay. Bam. And so now you can switch between the scenes, which is kind of cool because it already has a transition built into it. We're not going to start with the videos at all. We're going to start with your audio first. So go to plus, add audio input capture. We're going to do create new, and I have a blue Yeti mic right here. It's the same color as my green screen. And we're going to put that on. Call that blue Yeti, and we're going to add it. What's the device? Microphone, blue snowball. Cool. So now, if you go down to the audio mixer, you should be able to see that it's hearing us and hear us. So I'm going to do some things to this first. We're actually going to go to filters. So with filters, you just want to go and right click your source and go to filters here, right here at the bottom. It's going to pop down. I'll bring it down a little bit more for you guys. And you want to hit the plus sign. And then it's going to be like, oh, weird. You got a couple things. So what we're going to do, because I'm in the basement, I need to get a lot of noise suppression. So noise suppression basically kills the audio coming from my furnace and a fan if I have one, or like dogs barking upstairs type of deal. So I like to add suppression right away. And I'm going to add it. And with this, it's kind of weird because you want to set it to a different level. And there. And what I do is I turn it all the way down to -60. So then what's going to happen is nothing's going to come through that unless it's like this far away. And you're not going to be able to not hear yourself. So the next thing I do, I like to add myself a compression, which is right here. Whoop. Add the compression. It's at the top. Boom. So this one's a little tricky because you kind of have to hear yourself. But there's a cool way to do this, and it's super easy. You go down to 4. Like you can go to 350 to 550. And it'll be okay. You want to turn your threshold down to about 30. To your output gain at the very bottom right here. And we're going to just go -5 to -6. You have this cool audio mixer in the middle. And see how right now when I'm talking, it is hitting about green to yellow? That is the sweet spot. That's where you really want your audio to be hitting. That's where, like, if you scream and I go, ah! And nothing, right? But then if I talk really low, it's still going to hear me. With this, you can always control the volume, and it's always like, okay, you'll be able to hear it. And then just keep it loud. Audio is really where you're going to find your voice, and then the cam can come later. Most important thing is sound, though, when you're streaming. Actually, it's most important thing, anything for content creation. It could be for videos, could be for podcasts, could be for streaming. You want to have decent sound quality. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is set up your camera. This is going to be a little funky here. I have this, and you want to go to video capturing device at the very, 3 from the bottom. Click it. You don't have one yet, so you're going to title it webcam. And right now, I have a webcam from the laptop itself. This is weird seeing me 3 times. You go to your devices and you type in which one you want to use. I'm going to use the True Vision because that's the laptop's camera. Okay, like that, and you want to press OK. And look at that. You have your first webcam thing here. So this is the one that's a little bit complicated. It's your game capture. So if you're like me and I use just my display capture for my game capture when I play, it doesn't put any stress on any of my stuff, but I also have a capture card. This laptop doesn't have a capture card, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use a browser source, and kind of show you the setup that way. All right, so I did a display capture, so it's basically capturing everything. I'm looking like Inception. With the display capture though, you notice that the webcam's gone. And like I said, because it's a new source, your webcam is buried now, so you want to move it to the bottom or move your webcam back up. And what you need to do, just set it to how big you want it. So if I want it to play like this, I'll be good to play, and I can play. I can go online. I'll find a public game, and then now I'm streaming, folks. And now we're streaming. So that's like an easy thing to do. You're probably like, what if I don't want just gameplay and a starting soon, and I want like a just chatting? Well, I'll show you how to do that right now. So with just chatting, or like any other screens you want, like a be right back, if you just follow the same thing as what we did with the starting soon, and you'll be fine. Just chatting though, you want to add another scene, and we're gonna call it chatting. And then okay, it's got nothing in it. So now my desktop audio is just super loud. But what I want to do is I want to go into my video capture and add an existing one, which is that webcam. And boom, put the webcam right in the middle. Oh, look at that beautifulness. And then that's it. But the only thing is, you can't hear me. I need to have my audio source coming out. So we're gonna add my Blue Yeti as well. And now you can hear me. Now it's available, and I'm just chatting with you guys. You're probably like, where are all your cool overlays and stuff? Well, that you can do them here just by adding like pictures and stuff. But there's a cool website that I'm going to show you guys in another video called Stream Elements that I use. And we're going to set up on this, and it's going to be kind of cool. Creating a stream is really the fun part. You do have to kind of know what you're doing a little bit, and I hope that this video helped. It's really not that hard once you figure it out. Just kind of like ease into it. Remember, I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Just pop in the chat and ask me some questions. I'm more than happy to answer them. Just remember, guys, it is a little nerve-wracking at the beginning, but you'll get through it. Just remember to stay creative, stay awesome. Remember to stream awesome. Remember to be cool, be awesome, uplift people, stay weird, do all your things that you need to do. This is it for today's video. Just remember, leave a like and a comment and a sub. Hit up that Discord for any questions, and I stream on those days. My name is Kyle, aka I am Triple G, and that is it for today. See ya.